Just sitting here, minding my own business, not doing. I feel like as if I've been hit by something, by some kind of force. I feel like Mario. Look! What's that in the distance? It looks like a moving mushroom. I've got to go jump on it. Ah! Here I go. Ah! Oh, I got it. What's that above my head? I think I'll jump up and get it. Looks like a question mark. Who knows what it is? Ow! That hurt. Oh, but I got a coin. All right. Oh! What's this up here? A fireball! Ah! It's coming after me. I'll jump back. Oh, I think I better hurry up. Whew. I can really run fast, can't I? A big jumper too. Is that another coin, maybe? Yes! Another. Oh God! Another fireball! Oh my God! Okay. Well, here I go. That's not a coin. What is that? What is that? It looks like a mushroom. I think I'll kill this thing. I'll jump on its head. Well, there's its shell. What should I do? Maybe I'll pick it up and drop it on that coin. Ha ha! What was that I just did? I'll go up here and get away from that terrible mushroom. I'm really a pacifist. I don't like killing things. But I love coins. Oh, I love coins. No, it's gonna kill me. I'm gonna kill it first. Oh, I didn't want to do it. I think mushrooms have rights too. Okay, here I go. Oh no, not another one. No, this one's gonna live. Okay. Oh my God, it's flying. It's jumping. It's gonna kill me. Help me. Oh, I got away. I think I'll run fast. What was that? Oh no, flying turtle! Ah! Okay. Oh, I didn't kill it. Just no more wings. Another one! No! This is a scary place. There's so many. I think I'll get away from that one. Ooh, that one doesn't have any wings. I can just get. Oh, okay, that's good. What's that silly music in the background playing for? Gosh, that seems so funny. Is it up here? No. Is it over here? No. Is it over here? No. I don't know what that coin is. Oh, but the music changed! Oh, what'd that mean? Oh my gosh, what's that timer doing there? What's that thing gonna do to me? Ow! I've got a tail. Wow. I think I better hurry. Okay, jump over that. Don't want to fall down there. I die. Oh my God! Hey, I can kill things with my tail. Okay, I'll get away from that fireball. I know about those fireballs. I think I'm gonna run real fast and jump. Wow. I don't want to kill that sucker. I think I'll just run over it. Woo! I really like this hat. Although these ears growing out of it, that's so weird. Ow! Oh, I think I'm gonna jump over here. Okay, can I go down this? No, I like going down pipes then. Hey, the background, it's changing! What is that thing? It looks like, hey, I've been to Las Vegas before. I know what that thing is. Do I just touch it? Well, okay. A flower! Oh my God, I got a card! Oh, I gotta get out of here. No, I gotta go back to the beginning. God, what an adventure! I'll have to do that again sometime later. For now, I think I'll just take a nap.